Ready? Oh, shit! God damn it! You good?
What the hell?
You catch me on time, give me the I'm on time right now. You know what I'm on top, she need it up. Ain't no talking about that shit. I can tell she ain't on nothing. That boy that is a bitch. You know what it is.
What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy JB Too Cool, man. Y'all boys comment JB, man. Now the video I got for y'all boys today, I don't know nothing about it, but from the title, bro, that shit sound a little. Yeah, so the title is Dallas Police Shooting Armed Suspect After Stolen Pickup Truck Rams Cruiser. So sound like the Ram truck ran into the police truck. You feel what I'm saying? I don't know what happened after that, but we finna see. We finna get into it, man. So we ain't finna do too much talking. Roll to 100 subs, man. Y'all get me there. Much love from y'all. And make sure y'all comment on what's the best part of the video.
We don't have time. We're coming in hot now.
Did they get called to like a? Did they get called to a scene or something?
Keep on coming. Keep on going. In terms of the dumpster, he's still raptor.
They said, "Fuck that! I'm hitting these speed bumps." They must have got called to a call.
Ready? Oh, shit! God damn it! You good?
What the hell? No, they took off. They all hopped up out that motherfucker. Oh. Oh, he got pipe. He got pipe. With his ski on. He gone. Oh, they done blew. What the fuck? That shit really just had me flinch, bro. The start of the video, that really just had me flinch. I'm thinking I'm about to get hit. Nah, that's OD. Where the cams at? Show me something.
God damn it! You good?
Get your ass out!
Fucking shit!
Run, nigga! This nigga just laid on the floor. You a bitch.
Shit! God damn it! You good?
His dumb ass could have got ran the fuck over, man. This man really could have got ran over because he wanted to surrender. This man really just almost got ran over, bro.
We don't have time. We're coming in hot now.
I'd say falling behind him, Tyler. He can't hit the go into reverse and go over that hump. We're pulling him back. Keep on coming. Keep on going. In terms of the dumpster, he's still raptor.
Yep.
Ready? Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? He's got a gun! He's got! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Fuck!
No! I don't even think they noticed that one on the ground, bro. Let me know if y'all was that dude on the ground, bro. I'm finna show y'all right here. Over there. If y'all was that dude on the ground, bro, what would y'all do, bro? That's crazy.
He's gonna be running west through the complex, headed towards the David Busters.
He dropped his gun over here by the building.
Why would he drop it?
John, I'm east of the south. Where's you at?
Don't you fucking move! Get on the ground now! One in gunpoint, southwest corner. He's on a white shirt. But get on the fucking ground, face down! Don't you fucking move!
Oh my God.
He's behind the fences. Or he's behind the building near the fence corner. You fucking flinch, I'll put a hole in you, motherfucker!
Start an ambulance.
You fucking hit.
Yeah, he's hit.
God damn it.
Go get med kit.
Yeah.
What's the building?
Where you hit at?
On the side.
Okay, hey. You got close, Kevin?
No.
Here. It's up there. She fucking... What is your name? Eric. Eric what? Okay.
Woo!
Damn it! You good? Get out of the fucking truck! God!
How the fuck you fall?
Turn the fucking gun!
Mm.
Turn the fucking gun! Gun!
Where he went at? Ah, voice crack. Where he went at?
He's running north! He's running north! He's gonna be running west of the complex, headed towards the David Buster. He's stopping. He's wearing all black jacket. He took off his hat. Black male. He dropped his gun over here.
By the building.
I want to see what they did to the dude on the ground. What they did to the dude on the ground?
Shots fired! Shots fired! Stay on the fucking ground. Don't fucking move. I don't go with Kevin now. He's got the shooter. Go! Don't fucking move.
Yeah, I know where he can go. Nah, that's OD crazy. I'll be damn, boy.
We got one more gun. Hang on. Give the fucking ground. I'm not gonna beat it.
I'm not gonna be aggressive, so I already told you.
You already fucking were. You're the fucking man. Shut up.
He got an AR in that man butt.
Who shot at us? I don't know if I was gonna shooting too.
Dang, bro. Nah, that was crazy. I ain't gonna lie, bro. When that red truck came towards the police car, bro, I ain't gonna lie, that shit made me flinch, bro. That shit scared the fuck out of me. Think I was about to get ran over. Like, oh shit. But hey, man, it's your boy JB Too Cold, man. Y'all boys comment JB. That's the end of this video. Let me know what was the craziest part of this video, which I'm probably already knowing what was the craziest part. But y'all let me know what was the craziest part to y'all. Was it the truck hitting the car? Was it the shooting? Was it the nigga that didn't get up and run? You feel me? Y'all let me know. But I'm out this bitch, bro.
You catch me on time, give me the light on time right now. You know what I'm on top, she need it up.